Alright, what is up YouTube? Today's tutorial is going to be on how to define your curly hair with just some simple steps that I'm going to outline in this video. Okay, so there's a lot of tutorials floating around YouTube of guys and girls doing these how to make your hair curly videos, but the thing is, these people, their hair is already curly. So you, the viewer at home, you're watching this tutorial and you're thinking, I did the same exact thing they did, but my hair didn't turn out that way. And I'm gonna tell you why, okay? So let's get into my hair, right? So I've been growing my hair for 10 years. I've learned a lot about my hair these past 10 years. And I've noticed that with my hair, so my hair is type 4, and my hair is like on the looser end of type 4, so maybe like mostly 4B, but a little bit of 4A. And I consider my hair very average. Like, I don't have that wow looking hair. I can't just, like, some people have hair where no matter what they do to it, they could put some chicken grease, some baby oil in their hair will still look good. And there's a lot of YouTubers like that. I feel like I'm not that YouTuber. My hair is very average and I have to really maintain it for it to look good. So if you feel like you're that type of person, then this tutorial will be for you. So the main problem with these tutorials is when you have a looser texture like type 3, type 2, your hair will curl with just water, right? My hair is curly now because I just got out the shower, but my hair will not stay like this unless I use something with hold to keep it like this, right? So a lot of these people with the looser textures, they'll use something like this Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk, or this curl enhancing smoothie. Like, they'll get in the shower, they'll slap some of this on, and boom, they have curly hair. You try that at the house, and you getting all excited. You put it in your hair is white. You waiting for it to dry, and it dries, and it's just an afro. Okay. The reason being is because these products have no hold. Okay. One thing I want you guys to know is, the kinkier, the tighter your hair is, the more you are on the type 4 side, you need a product with hold to get curls, to maintain your curls, okay? No product is gonna make your hair curly. The product will only enhance what you already have, okay? So that's why this tutorial is named How to Define Your Curls, not how to make your hair curly, because nothing can make your hair curly except for a texturizer, right? And nobody wants a Jerry curl in this time and age. But if you follow these techniques, your hair will be defined based on your own curl pattern, okay? So your hair may not turn out like mine, but your hair will be defined for your curl pattern, okay? So the key is, for the type 4s out there with the afros and the kinks and all of that and the coils, we have to use products with hold, okay? These two, not gonna cut it. Leave-in conditioner, not gonna cut it, okay? We need gel or a mixture of the two. So some people do boom, leave-in or whatever, and then gel. Okay. Now, some of you might be saying, well, I don't like the way gel make my hair feel. It makes my hair feel crunchy and hard, and I like for my hair to feel soft. Okay. Gel is supposed to do that. Gel is supposed to hold the hair. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Now, here's what I do. So I've been a fan of gels for a long time, but I recently discovered this product here. It's called the Doux Mousse Def, and this is a foam. So this product, in my experience, will give you the hold of a gel. Well, no. Let me start over. This product here will give you the result of a gel. So my hair will look like I put gel in it with this, but I'll get the softness of a moisturizer. Okay, so this is like a hybrid product. Okay. If I were to rank these in the level of hold, with 10 being the strongest, this will be a 10. So you can use this product if you want your hair to be super defined. You don't like any type of frizz. You want your hair super defined. You don't care if it's crunchy. And here's another thing. Crunchy does not mean dry. Okay, just because your hair is crunchy and it has a cast with the gel does not mean it's dry. So don't get the two confused. So this would be a 10. This would be like a 6 or a 7 in terms of hold, and these two would be like a 2 or 3, okay? So just to give you a point of reference. Anyways, let me stop talking and get to the tutorial because that's what y'all came here for, right? So I just got out the shower, I shampooed my hair, and I conditioned my hair. Do not try this if you have not shampooed your hair, okay? This will not work as well on dirty hair. So I highly recommend that you shampoo your hair, condition your hair as you normally would with your products of your choice, okay? Because this video is not about products. This video is more about technique and knowledge, okay? So I came out the shower. I have not towel dried my hair. I just let it do its thing, right? But since I've been yapping, I'm gonna go ahead with the spray bottle and just spray my hair a little bit just to re-wet it. Okay, so that should be good. So I want my hair as wet as possible because I'm trying to capture that that pattern for my hair, right? So now that my hair is wet, I'm gonna go in with the Doux Mousse Def foam, and you can find this at Target, $14.99, $12.99, something like that. It's at Target though, and yeah, so you can find it on the ground pretty easily. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take I'm gonna take 3 pumps like that, and just start dispersing it through the hair. Okay. Took about 3 more pumps there, and then just start applying it. Okay. I'm gonna take 2 more pumps for the back. Okay. And I'm gonna just make sure that it's evenly distributed. Okay. And I know you guys might be thinking it looks white and it looks crazy, but with the foam, this white is gonna be gone in like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let it set and I'm gonna come back. The thing is, while it's setting, you don't wanna touch it, so just leave it alone, and I'll be back in like 5 to 10 minutes, all right? It's been about 5 to 6 minutes, and I'm gonna let you guys see what it's looking like. But yeah, let me see. Actually, let me get up close and then zoom in. Okay, there we go. Y'all see what I'm talking about? So yeah, so this is what I've been doing. Let me refocus it. This is what I've been doing for the most part since my hair has been short. I like using this foam because it's really easy, and you can get that that wet look without the crunch. And the thing with, like, when you use like a moisturizer, and I'm not just picking on this specific product, I'm just saying in general, like any type of leave-in or moisturizer, when you put it on your hair remains white for a few hours. So that's something that kind of like I don't really care for. With the foam, I put it on, right, and it's kind of foamy for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, but after that it goes away. And as you can see, I can go out like this. I don't have to wait for my hair to absorb product or anything like that. So this is a really good product for shorter hair, or this is just a good product in general for wash and goes and stuff like that. It has a really flexible type of hold. Anyways, I'm done with this video. I've been talking too much, but I hope you guys learned something. If you have any type of suggestions, comments, concerns, let me know. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and leave me a like and a comment.